Hello, good night to you, this is Dion, and tonight we're going to play some 20 minutes till dawn, and I'm going to check out the Raven character again, and right now I feel like I want to play it with the SMGs, just do something differently. And we're going to play on the standard mode, and we're going to play inside the forest. Raven, this is the Raven. His special ability is that he curses people, as you can see here. And it deals bullet damage. It's not a lot of bullet damage with this weapon, but that's fine. We knew what we started out with. We just wanted to try it all out. And see how it will all end up, right? Because that's the most interesting thing about this game, is just see what will happen. Oh, Turkanak this early? First pick? Always. I'll take it. I'll take the first pick to Turkanak. Why not? And there we go. Dealing a bunch of damage, and it's the end of the enemies. Soonish. So Dragonack takes 3 minutes before it becomes useful. But in the meantime, it's still here. So early game. I mean, the Soul Heart might be interesting. The Gale, maybe, but it's this early, so I'm just going to go for the Glare, just to make it somewhat easier for myself. A little bit, just a little bit easier. There we go. And Trained Dragon, 10% attack speed for every 60 seconds, which is, of course, as you can see, a lot. Because it's always nice to have, of course. But you know, you just need to pick it when you have the chance. Because it's just that strong of an ability later on. Like the full dragon is, of course, something that takes time to pay off. So yeah, so you need to play pretty well. And there we go. Summon 2 magic spears. I'll take the magic spears. Okay, and we got lucky. So why did I pick the magic spears? Because it was an immediate, an additional damage farm, and we do kind of need all the different damages we can get right now just to make it till the dragon starts spawning. Of course, there's also like the bad part about it is you kind of want the dragon upgrades. At least we got one. So yeah, it's fine. You'd rather keep the pool small, so there's chance of getting the other dragon upgrade is bigger. But yeah, get everything. But luckily we got lucky and we gained both of those, which are important. And the last one is not that important. That is the Dragon Bond. And the Dragon Bond just increases their damage or my damage or something. I don't know. By the dragon's damage. It's in the beginning it's not a lot, but it will become a lot. It will become a lot later on. And let's keep on shooting. Alright, what can we have here? A whole bunch of stuff. We're going to have to go for the vision damage. Because it's still pretty nice. There we go. And here we are. What's this? Soul Drain. Soul Hearts. I mean, I'm not super interested in Soul Hearts, to be honest, right now. But yeah. So, but we'll have to. We'll pick it up. We'll pick it up. It will be fine. It will soon start paying for itself, so maybe sort of. It's like, yeah, I know the way that this right now is going is it's pretty spread out. So I should probably gain more from us. But there's the dragon, so it's at least something. And luckily we are pretty strong. Alright, I'll take this one over the lightning right now. Let's go. And there we go. Summon the crow. Oh, great. I love that. As a bonus. I love it as a bonus. That is amazing. It is amazing. Let's go ahead and pick up this experience, then we'll circle down to see if we can pick up some of this. And there we go. There we go. Alright, and I kind of wanted the dark arts. Oh, but maybe should have gone, should have gone for the other one, the soul heart thing. It's hard. Since I took the magic spear arts, I don't know. At least we're doing a whole bunch of damage right now, so that's at least nice, right? Makes it a lot easier. You gain more HP, or nah, I'll go for the magic side. I think that I am pretty much. I do have a lot of summons, so might as well keep on doubling down on it, maybe. I don't know. Oh, and there goes my shield. That was fast. And let's keep on dodging down. Oh, that was quite lucky. And let's go up and keep on aiming and let it charge. And let's keep on hitting it. Alright, let's go and see if we can gain something interesting from it. Dragon Bond might be nice. See 10% of your damage. I don't know, what's my damage? We'll figure it out later. Let's go. Bullet bounce, bullet damage, movement speed. All pretty good. But for now, I do think that I'm going to go for the Toe of Power. Even though it's not like my strongest part. Maybe bullet bounce would have been better. I don't know. Maybe should have gone for that one. I don't know. Because it was not really a big damage decrease, I feel like. I don't think it was truly a big. Maybe it was. Let's go. What do we have here? Magic Soul Spear. Every time you gain a soul heart, you gain a bit more. And I hope it triggered it. It should have triggered it. Keep on killing a bunch of stuffs. Yes, okay. For now we're doing pretty okay. We're 7 minutes in and we are still alive, which is good. I mean, I'm not really clearing it out super fast, but on the other hand, it is going fine-ish. Damage occurs twice as often. Okay, I'll take it. At least the dragon is I think is the dragon doing a lot of work? I feel like it is. And the spear should also do a bunch more damage, which is of course nice. Which is of course nice when they deal a bunch of damage. And yeah, alright. Shoot. And there we go. Evasive fatality. I think I should go probably for the frenzy. Since we have this many summons, might be better to focus on those over the other options. And there we go, we took out. We dealt a bunch of damage and now we can circle down again. Circle to kill. Yes. Very good. And Hellspawn, what's this? Wind cutter, more movement speed might be nice. Burn on hit for 3 seconds, or should play it. I think fine, I'll go for the Hellspawn, I think. Bit more attack speed for my summons. Oh my god. Quite hard. Oof. Alright, we dodged the bullets, which is always a pretty nice feeling to accomplish. That was a nice way of it going on, yes. Oh, another soul heart. Lovely. Lovely, lovely, lovely. I do think we need to... Oh, that's unfortunate. We lost a shield. I'm gonna grab the energize of the other one for right now. Because now the lightning might sometimes spawn and then... it makes it so I can shoot a little bit longer. Which is of course very important. For me to survive right now. Yeah. Okay, yes, it does make a big difference, the energized bullets. I do feel the difference. It's just always nice if you summon attack speed and lightning. It's okay. It should help with my... The lightning should also help with my attack speed, hopefully. Reload speed. See? If you look in the corner, I now have so much lightning that I keep on spawning it, so that's nice. So I can keep on standing and shooting. Always a very good and important upgrade to go for. Can even grab another soul heart to increase my spear damage and my temporary HP. And some damage. I'm not sure. I think I'm going to just go for the trainer. Yeah, I'll go for the summon damage right now. I think that's a pretty good investment of monies. So there we go. And oof. Alright, I think the culling is better. For it to have a oh my god. Alright, this is nice. Increase summon damage weapons after 15 enemies killed. Which is a lot. I mean, I do like this one, so let's pick this one up too. Pentagram. Let's take it. It's not the best right now anymore, but it's still okay, I think. I think it's still okay. Ghost friend, yes, of course, I'll take a ghost friend too. Look, oh my god, I'm now melting them. What? What happened to the tree? Oh my god, I'm killing trees. This is insane. I am super strong right now. If I can kill trees like that. Oh my god. Just being capable of killing trees is already amazing. Kind of need to focus right now on the bullets, because you know the margins of dodging are kind of low. It's kind of hard. Oh my god. I don't know what's going on, but this is insane for me. I have yet to see it like this. I am just glad that it's working apparently, but I don't really know how. Is it just me making some pretty nice decision? Is it just this is just that much more powerful? I mean, some damage plus 10% is still pretty good, right? So let me just take it. Let's dodge up, scratch my nose and then move again. So we can dodge these other bullets. I do like the fact that the ravens are like moving around like they're crazy people. Like, yeah, soof, 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 soof. Okay. Alright. Good job. It does. I have to focus a lot. And 7 more minutes to go. Oh my god, I don't know if I can do this. Oh, the boss. The boss died. Nice. I do like items. Touch up and then go down and then enter the chest. What do we get? Fire rate minus 10%, but more curse damage. I'll take it. It's just fun. Alright, what do we have here? Arrow magic, holy arts. Holy arts. This is not good. This is not a good item to have. This doesn't work. Alright, what do we have? More movement speed, a little bit of lost. This doesn't work, so this doesn't work. This doesn't work. Alright, these both do not work, so 2 are left over. Haste, which is always pretty nice, or take aim. It grants piercing, automatically kills. Okay, I'll take aim. For this time around instead of haste. Let's change it up. Kind of makes some synergies non-existent when you take certain items, so some abilities and then you shouldn't pick up, because then you, and like I got the lightning, so I cannot pick up the lost ammo abilities. So it's something, some of those things are good to know, right? Right now I'm killing them fast enough, so that's pretty good, but not really gaining the experience, because apparently they die outside of my range. But it's still fine, because we can pick it up later and they're not getting close enough. So yeah. 21, Mississippi, 21. Alright, yeah. Just testing the seconds, because I feel like it feels like the seconds are taking a lot longer than 1 second, but it could also be me just not really being that great at counting and just playing, or it's just my computer slowing down. This could also most definitely be the case, right? Okay. I'm at 5 minutes. This should probably clear out, which gives me maybe some time to pick up some of the experience, and then we can level up a bunch, and then we will see further. We will see further, yes. Alright, take some motivation, please. And there we go, more evasion. More evasion is always good, right? Oh my god. And there we go. Bullet, fire, frost, fire rate. Is it good? I don't know. More projectiles. I'll take the frost mage then. I think that might be a bit better from the choices I could make. Lightning bug. I'll take the lightning bug. Electro bug. Gaining the experience here. It's not a lot of levels, it's 4 of the levels. Alright, move speed. And a little bit more dodge. Alright. I think it's fine. There we go. Okay. Thank you, Cage. Thank you. Let's just... Oh. Okay, and something happened and I felt like the game was sort of crashing a lot. Which is not great. Which is never great to happen, of course. There we go. Wind cutter, 10% more move speed over fire rate. I'll take the wind cutter now. Because it's also a little bit of dodge. Okay, let's move a little bit down. Okay. No, thank you, boss. Please don't be this mean and mess me up like this. I need to dodge down. Oh my god. Please, game. Please! I can't. There are too many enemies on the screen. Let's go down, so maybe we can get away from the lasers. That might be the trick, right? Maybe it is the trick. Just go down. Just keep on going down. Let's keep on going down, so we can survive. Alright, that's one. I'll have to go for this one. It should hopefully... Okay, I'm so glad I got the soul hearts, because I would have more definitely died a whole bunch. Keep on shooting and then shoot around and then shoot up. 1%, yes, okay, very good. So now we can go up. Increase burn damage, which is good. More movement speed, which might be nice. More bullet damage, but that's nice. What I'm thinking is, so more movement speed might be pretty good. But I'm going for the Tome of Elements right now. Because we can. And there we go. And curse is also burning. Alright, let's go. We survived the round, so that was quite close. I lost like 5 soul hearts maybe, and the shield. Yeah. Let's go and let's shatter into the mix. I mean, it still does a lot of damage, right? So 1% of the boss's health might not be a lot maybe, or maybe it is, I don't know, but it's additional damage. So it's still pretty nice to add into the pool. Fine, I'll grab this one now. I do like that leveling up lets you remove the bullet, so sometimes you get lucky. No, I'm going to get hit, and then now you're not because bullet damage page. Let's not pick up the heart. just in case. We need to survive for 1 more minute, which is not like something that's promised to happen, or what's it called, I don't know. It's not something that's 100% certain to happen. So yeah. We're doing a bunch of damage, which is nice. Clearing them out. Just like that. Alright, can we dodge it? Yes, we can. Let's port some more. And hopefully we can soon kill the eyeball monsters. Because those are of course the most annoying part of this at this moment. Let's go down, 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 left, down. And that was right, by the way, not left. Let's go left now. Yes, now I do know the difference between left and right. I do know there is a difference, I mean. Ghost friends. Let's go. A little bit more, and then we'll make it. Just a little bit more. Oh, let's go down a little bit. And that should be it. Bye, enemies. Love it. Super amazing. Alright, so apparently SMG, Raven, and yeah, it's of course, I do think the dragon, like, it's this early, and this helped to make it through, because you need the hard part about the dragon and these upgrades is it doesn't do anything at the beginning, and this really helps. This is a beginning item, beginning thing, and then later on it's bad. So yeah, you have some late game, some early game, and then this helped with the early game. These two, I picked them up, and then that pivoted me into gaining some more soul hearts, which in the end came in handy. And I got a bunch of summon attack damage, which is nice. So I'm quite happy about the result, to be honest. And let me just see here. Level 12, yes. Alright, let's confirm it. Quite good. And let's see. Darkness elites have even more HP. Well. Anyways, I'm going to end this here. I thank you all for watching. Wish you all a very great life and a very great night. And a very great goodbye. Ciao, ciao.